Hello, I'm VanDivier. Since 2002, I've been the Executive Director of La Hacienda Treatment Center, and today I'm enjoying just a few minutes on our lovely river property. When I first interviewed for the job with the owners, they asked me an unusual question, and that was, what was my treatment philosophy? Executive directors aren't often asked that particular question, but I was very interested and shared with my beliefs about what qualifies for good treatment. When it was my turn, I turned the tables and asked them, tell me about your treatment philosophy. And they said, well, La Hacienda has consulting psychiatrists, we have medical doctors who are on site 7 days a week, nursing that's 24/7. We have a clinical staff that's made up of social workers, substance abuse counselors, family counselors, and a wonderful recreation program. Well, I was really impressed by that. I thought this is something that is quite unusual in really a medium-sized facility. Of the 19 years that I've served as executive director here, have been the most rewarding years of my career. And that's a career that now spans over 40 years in the substance abuse treatment industry. It's been an honor and a privilege to continue working with the team at La Hacienda.